Alright, what is going on, Coaster Crew fans? Today we are at the Magic Kingdom. It's been a while since I gave you guys a Tron construction update. So we're going to head on in, head on back, and see how things are progressing. It's been a while since I did one, so I assure you there's lots and lots more to see. So let's go check it out. Alright, so we've made our way back to Storybook Circus behind the Barnstormer. Here's the queue over here. And we can take a look here and see that lots of the canopy is going up. You can actually get a really good shot of it from the Tomorrowland Speedway, so I will head over there next. But this just looks absolutely amazing. I cannot wait for this ride. I've heard nothing but great things about it. I suspect because construction is moving along pretty quickly now, we may see this towards the end of the year, maybe during the holidays for the next surge of crowds. We did see that Cosmic Rewind will probably open on Memorial Day weekend, unconfirmed, but that's what we suspect. And I feel like they would open this still during the 50th anniversary, but further out, just so that the two coasters don't overlap each other in hype, and they can both have their day, you know, their opening days and all that good stuff. So yeah, it looks great from over here.
Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
All right, well, that wraps up another Tron construction update from here at the Magic Kingdom. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for future notifications, and of course, like us on all our other social media, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, all at Coaster Crew. And we'll see you guys real soon. Thanks for watching, guys.